This 2025 Winnebago Forza 38W is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, stovetop burner, awning, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.